What if I told you a hacker could steal your password without ever seeing you type it? No fake login page, no suspicious email, just your own keyboard working against you. Today we are breaking down two of the most silent attacks out there: keyloggers and phishing, what they are, how they work, and how to stop them before they get you. A keylogger is a piece of software, or sometimes even hardware, that secretly records every single key you press on your keyboard. Every password, every message, every search. All of it silently sent to the attacker. You will never see it running. Your computer will feel completely normal. So how does it get on your device? Usually two ways. You plug in an infected USB drive, or you click on something you shouldn't have. Which brings us to the second attack. Phishing is when an attacker creates a fake version of something you trust, a bank, a social media platform, an email from your boss, to trick you into handing over your credentials. The email looks real. The website looks real. Everything looks real, except it is not. And the moment you type your password into that fake page, it goes straight to the attacker. Phishing is responsible for over 80% of all cyber attacks worldwide. It works because it targets humans, not software. Never click a link in an email that asks you to log in, even if it looks legitimate. Instead, open your browser and go directly to the website yourself by typing the address. Always look at the URL in your browser before entering any password. One wrong letter, a number instead of a letter, an extra dash, and you are on a fake site. Turn on two-factor authentication everywhere. Even if a hacker steals your password, they cannot log in without the second code sent to your phone. A good, updated antivirus will catch most keyloggers before they install. Keep it updated. An outdated antivirus is almost as bad as having none. If you find a USB drive, in a parking lot, at a conference, anywhere, do not plug it in. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book, and it still works. Keyloggers and phishing are silent, invisible, and terrifyingly effective. But now you know exactly what to look for. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to CyberFact for a new episode every week. See you in the next one.